Sadie Sparks, who is the Olympia Poet Laureate, the City Poet Laureate. And she created this poem to share with the community on this really wonderful corner space. So sunshine bouncing in your voice. We have 4 artists in the windows right now. We just took down the work by 4 other artists. This one is by Olga. And Olga does these landscape fragments, she calls them, which are manipulated photography of landscapes and land and sky, a lot of sky. And the last one is going to be installed, we hope she finishes today, Lou Hanna, these are all 4 local artists. Lou Hanna is one of the 4 local artists, and hers is, you can see the first of it is a series of transparent and translucent color fields, really, that will be suspended from the ceiling.
Once I figured out which design features I wanted to use, I transferred the images that I drew to the block, and it's a linoleum block which I carve with special tools, and anything I carve away will be white, and anything I leave will be printed. And so for this pattern is Olympia architectural details, and it's really hard to choose just 12 because there's so many great features in Olympia. So these are all individual prints. They're not photocopied. They're all unique. I printed them at Community Print, just downtown Olympia, and I also did a little bit of letterpress on the